One of the unique things about this site is that it's a gateway that brings you into the lower downtown historic district. So in spite of it being such a large block and being a parking lot, it had several challenges with height. You know, it's a very contextual building that speaks to the neighborhood and also relates to the taller buildings on one side and the 1- and 2-story buildings on the adjacent block.
So not only did we use masonry, but also metal throughout the facade. And we felt like that was a great reflection of kind of the industrial nature of lower downtown.
The leasing space is coming along nicely. They're wrapping up quite a few of the interior finishes for that space. We have the wood flooring in, some of the interior tile, some interior storefront, wall covering. It's coming along nicely.
Residents can park in the garage here and kind of walk through this entrance or enter through the doors off of Market Street. We have a conference space surrounded with the storefront glazing. We have a fireplace that is actually two-sided.
When we started working on it, it was originally a surface parking lot. That's all that was here. And it's really exciting to see the Fitzgerald come to life.